Using our plans feature, you have a lot of different types of installment plans and subscription interval options. So I'm going to go through those that are available on our platform today. So if you go to admin and then click the plus icon here, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a plan that includes access to a space, my beginner's guide to hiking. And then I'm going to click next gates and make sure that payments is toggled on. I could also add screening questions and approvals at this step as well. Next configure gets me to the pricing type. So if I choose subscription, these are the intervals that I have available to me. Previously, they were only monthly and annually, and now we've extended it to daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, quarterly, twice per year, and annually, as well as monthly. If you want to choose installments, you could just change this box here to installments, and we have weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, or quarterly. So you have 2 different ways to offer lots of different installments and subscription intervals inside of your plans. I'm just going to go ahead and set up an installment, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose monthly here. And so I'm going to set my installment price, and then I will include the number of installments here, and then we'll go back and we'll set up subscription intervals. So say I have a course that's $100 and I want to offer that in 2 installment prices. So I would say $50 and then 2, and then I would click next finish and go through the flow of creating that plan. For subscriptions, if I want to go ahead and choose, say, every 2 weeks or say weekly, and the price of my subscription or my plan was $100 a month, so weekly it would be $25 a week. And then I can choose whether or not I want to add a free trial onto that, and then click next finish and create the flow of that plan. If I want to combine offers, which means it will allow members to compare 2 prices on the same plan, then I would select this here. And then you can either choose 2 custom subscription intervals or a one-time payment and installment plan. So custom subscription intervals would be, here's the first interval. So I could set monthly to, say, $100 a month. And then I could either set annually, or I could change this to weekly, and I could say $25 a week. So you'll want to choose the combine offers to be able to present 2 different offers to the same audience. You can obviously also create as many plans as you would like with whatever access you would like as well. One-time payment and installments. So if I choose this combination, my installment price for the first interval is here, and then my one-time price for the plan is here. So again, it would be $100, and then if my first interval is, say, weekly, then I would say 25, and then I could say 4 here. And those are subscription and installments. And I'll show you what this looks like from the member's point of view. Okay, so here I am on my landing page, and I can see that I have different offerings. So this is $25 a week. This is an installment of 4 payments of $25, and this is starting at $25 a week. So if I go ahead and click buy here, this will show you the combination offer. So I can either buy this plan one time for $100, or I can have an installment plan of $25 4 times. So I'm going to go through the flow of creating this account and purchasing this so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here I've created my account. I'm going to go ahead and skip out a profile photo. And then this is where I can enter a promo code if there's one available. And this is all the plan details that I have of the plan primary images and any of the benefits. And then this is where I'm going to add in my cart details. Once I've added in my cart details, I'm going to click confirm purchase. And that is the full flow of purchasing an installment plan with combined offer on the plan page. And this is also our new checkout flow experience as well.